Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Hazzy Code. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can implement custom toast in your application. So for this, let's see. Here I have already implemented our layout. We just need a button so that we can see the toast message on button click. And here we need to implement click listener for our button. For this we need binding dot our button ID and set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, and inside this method we are going to implement our toast message code. So first let's see how it looks like when we are doing a normal toast. For this, let's do it. Toast dot make text. This message. This is a toast. Cheers. And inside this we need to provide our third parameter, which would be length. Toast dot length short dot show. So our code is ready and let's test this. Here you can see our app is ready. When I will click on this button, it will show this toast message. But when we will implement our code for custom toast, it will look like a bit different. Let's see how to do it. So for this, at first we need to put an implementation inside our Gradle file, build.gradle of module level file. Inside this we need to put this implementation code. This will add certain files and sync here. Our sync is successful and now we need to implement our code. Here we need to change some of the things, that is, it would be StyleableToast dot make text, and here instead of length we need to pass our style parameter, that would be capital R dot ID dot. We need to name our toast style. You can give it any kind of name you want. Right now I'm naming it as CUST custom toast. Okay, cust toast. And that's it. Now we need to go to our resource folder, value, theme, and inside this you can see there is two files, theme and one more theme file, which is of our night mode or dark mode. So right now we are going to implement this on our standard theme file. You can implement in both the files. We will take a style and inside this we will give it a name attribute, and it will take the name that you have already given here inside your ID. So we will give it COST toast. Okay, and that's it. Now you will see that our error has color background. We will take a color background, and inside this we will add our color. Right now I'm giving it a blue color. This one a bit darker. Okay, here we need to put the style keyword here so that it can recognize that we are dealing with style. So now here you can see our custom toast is being recognized by our Java file. And we will add one more item. Let's make it a text color, and inside this we will provide a different color. Right now I'm giving it a yellow color. Okay, so let's see how it looks. As you can see, our custom toast is ready. You can do some more type of changes in your custom toast. Let's see. Here you can add some attributes like stroke, and I'm giving it a width of suppose 3 dp. Okay, and let's have another item, and inside this I need to provide the radius of our stroke, and the radius will be of our corner of the toast. So let's give it a radius of 4 dp, and let's give it a stroke color. As the stroke color. Okay, and inside this we will give it a different color. Let us give it a red color. I know it looks a bit weird, but this is just for demonstration purpose. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Here you can see our toast is ready with custom stroke, but you can do some more changes, like if you want to increase the roundness of your toast corners. So let's give it a radius of 8 dp. It will look a bit more rounder than current one. Right now it looks like this. So after using 8 dp, it looks like this. Okay, if you want to add a bit more roundness to your stroke, then simply put some more numbers. I'm giving it a 15 for example. Here you can see our toast corners are a bit more rounder than before. So this way you can put some more attributes in your custom toast. Here you can see when you are typing inside this attribute space, here you can see different type of attributes you can set inside this item. So you can choose as per your requirement. There is style toast, text bold, style toast, size. Make sure that whatever attribute you are using, it is containing st before the attribute name, because this is a custom toast library named as style toast. So it needs to have this st before each attributes. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any kind of doubt or any problem in your code, then simply mention down in our comment section. I will surely come to help you. Thank you for watching.